Oh, hello. How's it going? You currently join me en route to a national park, where I'm going to partake in some trekking activities. Fuck yeah. I hear there are some waterfalls in this national park, but I don't know how, like, good they are. And by good, I mean how heavy the water flows, because obviously it's not monsoon season, so, you know, there's not going to be probably that much, to be honest. But I'm not really too bothered about that. I want to do the trek. I want to participate in the trek. I want to go around and see some wildlife and all that kind of shizzle. I love the way your brain works. I love the way you try to run with the water. Oh, you wank stain. So yeah, I mean, so far my stay in Goa is awesome. I'm loving it. The beach is nice, people are pretty friendly. Oh! Woo! Holy shit! Oh my god, I nearly stacked it. Wet floor and a guy who suddenly stopped equals not so good. The wet floor right there did not help. Like, Jesus Christ. I thought I lost it then, but holy shit, I kept it. I fucking kept it. If that floor wasn't wet right then, that wouldn't have happened. Jesus Christ. Not sure if that was causing the wetness on the floor, but that was wet as hell. I still can't believe that, man. I was going sideways. National parks in India have not let me down yet. And I checked online, the reviews are all pretty good. But I didn't check if there's any leopards there, so... Kinda worried about that. Kinda worried. Oh yeah, mountains. Looking good. Or hills even. I've got to stop saying mountains, they're hills. I don't want to go too fast around these bends, because that is easily skidding off the fucking road. Whoa. If you know what song that's from, bonus points to you. Well, I doubt you will. It sucks about the sunset, so I'm going to have to go somewhere for sunset, as it turns out. Oh, yes. The views are amazing here, again. Oh yeah. Wow, I am just loving this. Do you really want the sugar pill? Is there a school down here? It's amazing. The coolest school location ever, I think. Wow. Wow. Oh, look at this! Woohoo! It looks so pretty! Again? Just lush tropical jungles! It's fucking great! Wildlife Sanctuary. There's a picture of a leopard on there. I don't want to come across a leopard. Save forests, save mankind. I agree. Driving a Royal Enfield down here doesn't exactly help that cause. Wild animals have right of way. Oh, faux show they do, faux show. Don't fancy crashing into a deer, thanks. This guy is going way too quick to overtake, and there's loose dirt ahead. What's the time right now? It's 12:30. Leopard! King Cobra. This. Man, I'm not sure if I recorded that, but if not, the guy was saying about... I can't believe the guy was saying about the leopards, like they come every day pretty much to where he works in that little hut. And they find the easy food, which is what I said on yesterday's vlog, where they just get the dogs and the cats. They just get the easy food, and the cows. They come straight to the village, they grab what they want, and then they leave again. That is incredible. And kind of scary. Okay, now I'm really on alert. It's not funny anymore. Oh. So, 4.5. Can I take my bike a little bit of the way? Yeah. Only a little bit of the way. I don't want to go the whole way, because I'd rather walk and do, you know, a little bit of exploring. It's like an hour to get there, I think. Actually, I might just park the bike, whoa, down here. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna just leave my bike. Just hope some guy doesn't fucking knock it off. I'll tell you, hang on, I've got up here. Okay. Holy fuck. Wild fucking leopards. I'm kind of scared. I'll be honest. I guess we could just take the bike up, but then I just wanna, you know, I want to do a little bit of walking. But is it safe? Is it safe to walk? Okay, you know what? I'm gonna bike a little bit closer, but maybe the noise will be enough to scare them away. Because, you know, the Royal Enfield sounds pretty loud. Oh yeah, buddy. Why is there a speed bump there? Why would you need a speed bump here? It's not as if you can go fast here. Jeebus. And another one. Why? I think I just thought, fuck it, we may as well just stick one in, because, you know, why not? What the fuck? I'm hearing noises. I just heard something. Fuck me. Oh, he said he saw leopards every day. They come and they steal the fucking dogs and cats. I'm really hoping the leopard is full. Oh god, why? Okay. Oh. Oh yeah. yeah. Do some fucking training here. Lay training. Oh. Okay. Yep, we're good. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, I want to trek the rest. Let me just park it here. Okay. Okie dokie. Pretty awesome, but pretty scary, I'll be honest. I'm not sure if you're just meant to take the whole bike up, if you're just meant to, like, not walk. My god. I'm a little freaked out, I'll be honest. A little bit freaked out. You know what? I decided against walking. Just gonna see how far I can actually take the bike up here. Whoa, yeah. I've got some off-roading. Woo. Okay, so far the road seems like it's okay to get back with the bike. Seems cool. I would have really liked it though if... Whoa. If I could have done some walking, but I'm kind of freaked out right now about the whole leopard thing. Oh, here we go. Going by foot. Who knows if it's the right way? I mean, he said follow the road for like 3 kilometers or something, but... Oh no, actually, he said... did he say this one's the hard one to get to? I think he did. I think he means hard because of this shit. Fuck, do I walk or do I not? I think it'll be alright. Okay. I'm gonna take the bike. There's just too many noises. I'm kind of worried. The guy fucking scared me, okay? The guy worried me to hell. He said about the bloody... If he didn't say anything, if he said nothing about there being, you know, the leopard that comes down every day to fucking feed, I wouldn't be too bothered, but... I'm pretty freaked out. Fuck, I just don't know. Yeah, he said this one was hard to get to, not that great. The other one, Savri. Okay, I'm gonna go further on. I think I'm gonna ignore this one, and I'm gonna look at the Savri waterfall. Just thinking, like, what if my bike sounds like the mating call of a leopard? Whoa. Like, do you know what I mean? So what if the leopard is attracted to this, like, purring sound that my bike produces? Whoa! I see what the guy meant now about it being bad to get here. I keep checking my rear view mirrors just in case the leopard is... Because I think I'm right in saying leopards like to come up from behind and then strike you from behind. I think I'm correct in saying. And leopards are not stupid. They know the best way to strike their target. Maybe if I make like roaring noises like that, maybe it won't like that. Maybe we think, oh fuck that shit, that's a big old fucking leopard there. Just runs away. That's what I would do. Okay, here we go. Okay. Did I even go this way? Like, fuck knows at this point. Yeah, I think I did. Yep, speed bump. There it is. Hey. You know, I was probably like almost there, but you know, no. It would suck if I ran out of fuel here, or if I get a punctured tire, or some shit like that. That would suck. Okay, now this is the place where I was going to park my bike. Oh! I just saw a car. Fuck yeah! Okay, here we go. So that is a... Excuse me, almost fell over there. Yeah, that one can get screwed. Because yeah, the guy was saying, yeah, he said that one's not good. He said the other one is good. Oh wow. Fuck yeah. They say like stick to paths and stuff and roads like this, but like what's the, you know, a leopard is going to go wherever it wants. It's not going to be like, oh, a road, and then just avoid it. It's going to be basically like, oh, a conveyor belt of food. Squiggly line, we gotta follow the squiggly line. Made it to the trek to the falls. Feeling kind of scared still. Oh, the leopards. I should have asked him about the leopards. There was a guy just sat there on his motorbike. I should have asked him, have you seen any leopards? But it's best if I don't ask. You know, some questions are left just not asked. So, Savri waterfall, here we go. Yeah, look, these sort of spider webs, they seem like quite thick. I'm not sure if like a trapdoor thing. I see loads of them. He was saying it takes like 10 minutes to get to the falls, but I think I'm gonna, you know, that'll be an Indian 10 minutes. So probably around like 20 minutes if I'm honest. So it's good. I love this as well. I mean, look, you can just make out the amazing view through the trees. Have an amazing big mountain right there. And just fucking spooky spiders right there. So, yeah. So yeah, whilst I'm chatting to you, whilst I'm here on the way to the waterfall, I just hope you're enjoying the vlog so far. Alright, so yeah, I just want to, I hope you're enjoying the vlogs and all that kind of stuff. I think I've put out maybe 33 videos so far, 34 videos out of I think 40 or something. So yeah, I hope you're enjoying them. I'm sure you are. I'm getting so many nice comments from you lot, so thank you so much. They mean so much. Trust me. Look at that. Hand on heart. Yeah, they're really cool. But yeah, thank you so much. Thanking you. It means a lot. Oh, I can hear the waterfall and it's flowing. Yeah. Oh, you can see it from here. Oh, that is not too shabby. I mean, it's not like massively flowing, but that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. So I guess we go down this way. Oh, I love this area. Look at this. There's like vines and all sorts of stuff. I love this. I love it. Oh, and another thing that spooked me out a little bit is I heard there are cobras here as well, which is not very great.
Savri falls now, and what a place. It's just a good place to chill. Like, it's a chill area, and you can swim in that, but I haven't got any spare things to change into, so, and it's cold as fuck. Nice place. In the monsoon, that must be crazy. That must be so much more heavier than what it is now. Like, Jesus. But even right now, that's still good. And there is a way you can go this way. This way goes back to the highway, apparently. But I came from that way. So I'm not going to go that way because my bike isn't parked on the highway, it's parked at the roadside. So that's cheeky, so you don't actually need to come into the national park, there's a highway route as well. Cheeky. There was a guy walking up and down that I saw earlier, and he's collecting tickets from them, so smart. Okay, here we go. The long climb back up begins. That's pretty steep. Holy moly. That's what I'm seeing. That's how steep it is. Goes up there. Oh. It's a great waterfall though. It's nice. In the monsoon that must be awesome. I can only imagine. But even now, it's nice. It's nice to chill. I wish I ran my swimming stuff. I fucked up there. I would have gone for a swim. Oh, look at it. Ooh. Oh, edge is right there. Oh, where is it? There it is. Oh, gorgeous. Okay, let's keep going. It cost 75 rupees to get in. I think it's like I think it's something like 50 rupees or something, or 40 rupees to get in. And then the guy saw I had a video camera. He charged me a little bit extra. It's nothing, is it? It's nothing, and it's like 30 odd p. No big deal. Hear noises everywhere. Oh, leopard. Keep away. I just thought if I do get attacked, I've got so many stones, I can just bash it around the head a couple of times. Oh, it's a fucking squirrel. Son of a bitch. Scared the fuck out of me. I legit thought I just heard a growl. Coming from like over there. Nah, I think it's just my ears. Oh my fucking god. Fucking thing, little fucking lizard. On the road. Oh, safety.
Oh, right, I found the exit, I found the way out. Got a little bit lost, but no, nothing worth recording on the way, just got lost. Alright, I'll probably see you back at the hostel for a little update maybe, or I don't know, I'll see you somewhere. Hello. I'm back at the hostel, as you can probably tell. It's about 8 PM right now, I think. I got back to the hostel, I got some food. It wasn't really anything much, I just got myself like a, what was it, butter chicken curry, some rotis, and chowed that down. And yeah, I'm just home now, just chilling, gonna edit the video, and yeah. But the waterfall today was amazing, it was so good, worth the trek. It wasn't too far, to be honest. It was like, it ended up being 15 minutes there, and about 25 minutes back, because you have to like go up. The way back is the hardest. The way there's easy, the way back is hard. So yeah, around a 40-minute hike. It's nothing really. But it was something, alright? It was something. And yeah, see you guys not tomorrow, but the day after? I don't know. I'll see you when I see you. But maybe it is. I just don't know. But I will see you soon. Okay.